Hello Light Travelers, today we're taking a look at the Merino Fusion long sleeve 160 top from Wilderness Wear. The Wilderness Wear 160 Fusion top is made in Australia from 50% pure Australian merino wool and 50% ultra-fine Scholler polypropylene 190 GSM double jersey. It has a very soft hand feel and feels very lightweight, especially for a long sleeve shirt, but it still retains all of the benefits of merino wool. The problem I usually find with merino wool blends is that while they do dry quickly and wick moisture, they often still end up needing to be washed after every wear. They don't seem to retain the antimicrobial properties of pure merino wool. However, I didn't have that problem with this shirt though. The ultrafine Scholler polypropylene acts just like merino wool in wicking moisture. It also retains the quick drying and antimicrobial properties. In terms of sizing, when I first tried on the medium size, it felt like it was a bit too big for me. The size that I'm wearing now here also does feel a bit too small, so I guess I'm somewhere in between in sizing terms. So I'd suggest going with a size up from what you normally wear if buying this shirt, to get a fit that covers your arms. However, the small does fit me everywhere else except for the arm length. In terms of pricing, the Merino Fusion 160 shirt comes in at 99 Australian dollars, and unfortunately only one colour. It does seem quite reasonable for what you get. This shirt does breathe well in the summer, and I don't feel that hot wearing it. It also feels very warm in the winter, so it acts just like a merino wool garment with a lot less weight. Overall, while I'm not a fan of the contrast stitching or particularly of the colour, I would have liked to see more plain colours. I do feel that in terms of a base layer though, it does an excellent job. And a quick shout out and thank you to John at Wilderness Wear for sending me out the shirts.